Good morning everyone, how are you all doing? It's currently 5:30 AM in the morning, which is early, but I've gotten up at this time to do some work, to do a bit of drawing, because I'm also going back to university today. I need to be there for around 10 o'clock. I'm thinking about bringing you with me and recording some stuff whilst I'm there as well, but we'll start this episode off by doing a bit of drawing and we'll take it from there, but hopefully you should enjoy this. So the other day one of you left a comment asking if I could do a drawing of the Godfather, and to answer that question, yeah, we can start off this episode by doing a drawing of the Godfather. Alright, I'm happy with how that's turning out. I'll finish it later today, but now I have to go to uni. I need to get some stuff together. By the way, I'm also working on another episode of Creative Mindset Fundamentals, and then the second part of the eye drawing tutorial, and then the architecture work, so it's a busy week. Alright, we're on the way there, most likely going to get stuck in traffic. It's about 10 AM, so I'm probably going to be late as well. However, I've come up with this idea to use this time as I'm driving to wherever to answer some of your questions, because I was going to do a Q&A and a lot of you asked me to answer some questions, but a lot of them were the type of questions where I could take it further and sort of explore, and some of these questions I'm actually going to dedicate a full episode to. However, there's still some that I can just speak about and hopefully give you some information or answer them. So I'm going to use this time as an opportunity to create a segment in these episodes where I answer some of your questions, and I'm not sure what we'll call this segment, something like driving and answering your questions, I don't know. Okay, so first question from a person named Clarice. She asks, what's your favourite part of drawing? Is it the process or the finished result, etc.? The process or the finished result? For me, it's without a doubt the process. The finished result is sort of like after that process, and so creating and actually putting something together is the process of doing that. So when you are creating a drawing, that's probably the part that I enjoy the most, and then the finished result is the thing that comes after that, and you just sort of look at that at the end. You might take some satisfaction in that whole process that you've gone through to get to that stage, and then you just sort of push it aside. Well, that's what I do anyways. I push that finished result to the side and then I start again, because I enjoy the process of actually creating the drawings. Otherwise you'd be so satisfied with the finished result that you might not want to go ahead and start again. But seeing as you enjoy the process of creating and actually putting something together, then I'd say it's definitely the process. And there's a process to everything in life, really. There's a process to actually learning how to draw in the first place, then there's a process to actually drawing, there's a process to putting your work together and creating like some sort of portfolio. Whatever it might be, there's always like this process that's never ending, because you're always gonna keep going. And once you start looking at the finished results all the time, then it sort of adds this end to it, and the thing is, there's never really an end, if that makes sense. I hope I'm not just talking a load of nonsense here. I hope you get where I'm coming from. But yeah, it's definitely all about the process. But yeah, also if you have any questions, go ahead and comment them below and I'll get to answering them in this segment. Or go ahead and tweet me or message me on Instagram, whatever you want to do, and I'll dedicate a part of this segment to actually answer your questions as well. Alright, I'm on the way to university now. I don't think it should be too much of a long day today because I only have to hand in something and then we have the afternoon free, so I might use it as an opportunity to go get some time-lapse footage for this episode, and obviously we'll head back and finish that drawing we was doing. I'm also working on putting a model together which needs to be finished. I've also recorded that progress, but I've got so much footage that I need to edit together for that. I don't really know what time that'll be done for and whether this video will be out before that one. I'm not too sure, but it should be good anyways. Finally finished up at university for today. I didn't really get much footage recorded there because I wasn't there for that long. Through these vlogumentation episodes, 1 second, there's a car coming. There we go. These old cobble streets don't really help, but I didn't really stay there for that long. But through these vlogumentation episodes anyways, whether I show the work at home or when I'm actually at university, it doesn't really make much of a difference. I have the better setup at home anyways, so I'll probably be able to record better. Alright, we're back now and I'm going to finish this drawing which we started earlier this morning. So that drawing's done now and I'm probably going to end this episode here as well because I have a load of editing to do tonight. So I need to get through all of that and it takes such a long time. It's probably the longest part of the process, putting all of it together to then upload onto YouTube. Otherwise I would like to upload more. It's literally just putting it all together that takes so long. But I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'm really enjoying putting these vlogumentation episodes together. I hope you're enjoying them as well. It really does let me be creative with them, and it's still all about drawing and being creative in general, so hopefully it's still relevant to all of you lot. Anyways, have yourself a great day. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you in the next episode.